can be more. Without bank ला सकते हैं?
जी सर, विदाउट बैंक। हम लोग जो बात है ना सर, हम लोग मनोकामना करना पड़ता है। All this work is really to be fighting to get commander.
Kalimpong is blessed by nature, bountiful, unbelievable. It has a potential to be at the top. I am very happy to be here. This has attracted over the years some of the greatest people on earth. They have greatly appreciated Kalimpong. Kalimpong is home to rich culture, rich heritage, and of course, warmth of its people. I have come to visit this monastery, a great place in existence since 1945. I will spend some time here, and I'm sure I'll carry home great memories from this exotic place, blessed by nature.
सर, जो अभी पहाड़ का
North Bengal is very important part of Bengal. Several delegations have met me. Several political parties have met me. Several NGOs have met me. They have given their own perception about the problems. I can assure India is changing. India is changing as never before. Problems that were with us for more than 70 years have come to be resolved. Article 370, for which Dr. Shyama Prasad Mukherjee laid down his life, an aberration in the Indian Constitution. Dr. Ambedkar declined to draft it. Is it in the Constitution now? No. People never thought it will be out of it. It is not part of the Indian Constitution. Thanks to our parliamentarians, thanks to visionary leadership of Narendra Modi ji, this aberration is gone. Did we think solution to Ram temple will be so seamless, gliding through everyone? Through the court system. It has happened. Triple talaq, that was a menace to womanhood, compromising their dignity as never before. What has happened to it, you know it. Therefore, every problem has solution within the limits of Indian Constitution. These issues will also be addressed. I will understand. If I have any contribution to make as governor, I will not hesitate. But peace is very important for the hills. GTA has to be transparent. GTA has to be accountable. I have got inputs that there has not been any audit so far. Audit is a check on misutilization of funds. We need to be careful about it. I will initiate steps so that a proper audit takes place about the funds made available to GTA. It will be professional audit. दूध का दूध, पानी का पानी होना चाहिए. The quality of roads, the issues connected thereto are also very alarming and disturbing. For 20 years, more than 100 panchayats have not had elections. These are serious issues. Your governor, keeping in view the constitutional role, will look into all these issues. Whatever your governor has said will be translated into action. Every government money can be spent, and that is subject to audit. there can be no spending by government or GTA without audit. It is unfortunate that audit has not taken place as reported to me. I will find out all about it. Ensure there is audit. If audit reveals irregularities, if audit reveals corruption, if audit reveals channelization of funds for wrong purposes, those responsible will face wrath of law. No one can be above law. Anyone spending government money is accountable through the process of audit to make that utilization fully transparent. At a railway station, if you wish to catch a flight, you are in for disappointment. Every problem has a solution at a particular place. Solution may lie with the state government. Solution may lie with the central government. Solution may lie also with the parliament. These issues have to be studied. No solution should be politically inspired. Solution has to be dealing with the issue in accordance with law and constitution. Whatever contribution I can make, I will.
वर्तमान कोरोनाको कारण नर्सिङ व्यावसायिक पाठ्यक्रममा बदलिँदो स्वरूप इच्छुक विद्यार्थीहरूको निम्ति सुनौलो अवसर। पहिलो पल्ट कालिम्पोङ, दार्जिलिङ, सिक्किम लगायत उत्तर पूर्वी राज्यको निम्ति बेंगलोरको नर्सिङ कलेज एथेना ग्रुप अफ इन्स्टिट्युसनले सुनियोजित पठन पाठनदेखि 100% रोजगार प्राप्तको सूचना जारी गरेको छ। साथै सम्पर्क गर्न थप सुविधाको निम्ति कलेजको कार्यकारी प्रशासनिक समितिमा नेपाली पदाधिकारी छनौट गरिएको छ। विशेष पहाडी भेगका विद्यार्थीहरूको सुविधाको निम्ति तालिम अवधिमा नेपाली खाना र व्यवस्थित होस्टेलको व्यवस्था गरिएको छ। उपलब्ध रहेको कोर्सहरू जीएनएम, बीएससी नर्सिङ, 12औं श्रेणी उत्तीर्ण विद्यार्थीहरूले यी कोर्सहरू मध्य शुल्कमा गर्न सक्नेछन्। पाठ्यक्रम लगायत यहाँ खेलकुद, संगीत, नृत्य साथै चाडपर्व जस्ता सांस्कृतिक कार्यक्रमहरू पनि आयोजना हुने गर्दछ। भारत सरकारद्वारा जारी रहेको नर्सिङ पाठ्यक्रमको पञ्चकृत प्रक्रिया धमाधम चलिरहेको छ। झट्ट सम्पर्क गर्नुहोस्। रुथ एडुकेसनल रिफर्म नर्थ इस्ट कर्पोरेट अफिस, सिलगढी, चम्पासरी।